Hello, good morning, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. You are watching PPT channel and I am with you, Sanjay Rampal. Then let us start today's session. Stay tuned for more solid news. Keep watching your own channel, PPT News. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe. The promises made to the people, the problem of every victim will be solved. The government is committed to solving everyone's problems. Regarding public problems, he instructed the officials to pay sensitive attention to the problem of every victim and get it resolved in a timely and transparent manner. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan heard the problems of the people at his Dadri residence on Friday and also instructed the officials to solve them on the spot. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan said that Charkhi Dadri constituency is his family. It is his duty to get the problems of the family members resolved. The trust with which people have made him MLA. He will repay the debt by solving public problems and carrying out the development. The MLA said that the government led by CM Naib Singh Saini is continuously working for the welfare of every section. The BJP has created history in Haryana by providing jobs without slips and without any expenditure. The government will provide more than 2 lakh jobs in 5 years without slips and without any expenditure. Today the opposition does not have any issue. He said that state government has approved many schemes whose development will be seen on the ground in the Charkhi Dadri area in the coming days. Assistive devices give life to the needy, make their daily routine easy. Helping the needy is the greatest virtue. Providing assistive devices to a needy person is like giving him a second life. With assistive devices, a person can live his life easily and the devices also help him in daily tasks. APCPL Jharli is continuously helping the needy while performing its duty under CSRI. ADM Naveen Kumar said that while interacting with journalists at the Senior Citizen Assistive Device Distribution Program organized at the New Grain Market, the SDM who arrived as the chief guest at the function started the program by lighting a lamp on the picture of Henry Dunant, the founder of the Red Cross Society. During this, he talked to the elderly and also learned about their problems. The SDM congratulated the organizations for the function organized to provide assistive devices to the elderly. On this occasion, he said that the district administration is constantly trying to help the needy people while working on the instructions of the government. Help is provided under the CSR through various companies and organizations. Taking this forward today, assistive devices are being provided to the elderly through Jharli APCPL. Jharli has earlier also helped the needy people of the district under CSRI Alimco, an undertaking of the Government of India, plays an important in manufacturing assistive devices. In the ceremony, Additional General Manager of APCPL K. Sri Lata said that company continuously helps people while fulfilling its responsibility. Today also 285 devices worth about rupees 49 lakh have been distributed. The 149 people, the company show said the company is trying to improve the lives of needy people by using CSR properly. Earlier, SK Rakh from Alimco also expressed his views this ceremony. Girls can improve their lives by taking loan for higher education at concessional rates. Under the scheme, 5% subsidy is available on interest on education loan. Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam provides 5% subsidy on interest rate to girls and women on taking loan from banks for higher education in India and abroad. It is necessary for the women and girls availing the benefit of the scheme to be permanent residents of Haryana. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that no girl student should be deprived of higher education due to high interest rate. Therefore, the government provides subsidy on 5% interest rate to girls and women on higher education with the aim of accelerating Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign of the Government of India. Girls and women should not face any problem in getting higher education. He said that for girls and women to take admission in technical education, diploma, postgraduate, PhD and under higher education courses, 5% interest amount on education loan is reimbursed by Mahila Vikas Nigam. He said that there is no under condition including income caste to get this facility. For this, girls and women should be permanent residents of Haryana. The scheme is grooming to be very beneficial for girls and women. For any under information in this regard, Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam office can be contacted. Eligible beneficiaries who have been deprived of getting wheat millet in the month of November 2024 by the Food and Civil Supplies Department can get wheat millet for the month of November by visiting their nearest depot holders till 9th December. Also, eligible beneficiaries who have been deprived of getting mustard oil on the month of November can get by visiting their nearest depot holders till 31st December. If beneficiary has any kind of complaint regarding getting wild millet mustard oil, then he can contact the office of the considered assistant food and supplies officer, inspector, and the toll-free number of the department 1800-1800-20871. So friends, this was our important and special news for today. We will get again tomorrow with the new news. Till then, take care of yourself. You will be safe. Now allow me, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Take care.